Okay, my name is Cooper, and I do this crazy thing with my tongue. Sometimes it just sticks out, or I should say I stick it out, but I forget to take it back in. And then my mom sits here and laughs at me. Right? Is that what you say? Is that what you say, Cooper? You silly, silly boy. Look up here, babe. Cooper. Here, look here, look here. What you playing with? Okay. Alright. Playing with the camera bag. Alright, the tongue is gone. Let's look up here. Say cheese. Cheese. Come here. You're just too cute. Cooper. I love you.